Hey guys, so I'm back with another video here. It's been a little while since I made another welding video. I was kind of preoccupied machining some VW cylinders for Corvair conversion. First in this video, I want to show off the results of my welding by fly cutting the quench back to the head gasket surface, which is where I actually would be normally fly cutting it back if these were functional heads. After that, then I want to actually cut it back to the original depth, which is 130 thousandths lower, so that I can weld it again and get some more practice. All right, so back to welding. Well, I guess not exactly welding. So I've got the head. I've actually got this camera on a Noga now, which is pretty funny. So I'm just gonna machine the cylinders. Over here, I did a little bit of chiseling on that guy to get some of the tungsten out that I accidentally, kind of blew up in that chamber. Really only gotten this weld up here, so that one was high enough. I didn't do the full pass. I have a stop on the Z there, and it's I didn't go all the way down with it, but I don't think I'm even gonna get close to touching any of this stuff. So all this needs to be higher. I don't know if I need like a square I can put across this guy to see how high my welds are while I'm welding. I think the two-handed was okay. It wasn't too bad. Let's see. So this, as you can see, right away. Yeah, I only cut down here. This is all lower by quite a bit, actually. Can I measure this? Okay. So, 80 thou. Okay, well, you can see we're over there. 80 thou. The next one I'll definitely use a straight edge to measure that. Very delicate, very gentle. Yeah, look at that. It's a big old hole. And there's a whole pocket there. A bunch of little pits in there. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll do another pass. That's 130 thousandths. If I wanted to go back to 80 horse quench, then I could have to patch up some of these pits, but not really, I guess. Guess I'll do the next one now. thought this one was going to be better. Obviously, it's actually even worse, technically. I only got there and there. Touched off on that head gasket surface there, but I only got 2 points. So, yeah, I'll machine the rest, and then I'll see what it looks like. Looks about the same, I would say. Pockets in random places. Yeah, it's okay. This wouldn't fly for a some nuclear welding or something. I think it's okay. Not too bad when I machined it, because the last one was machined pretty shittily, and this one is better, I would say. Yeah, I think it's it's not the best welding, obviously. I want to see if I can better fill in those kinds of pits that I had. I'm just making all this up as I go. I don't know. I'll look it up or ask my dad a little bit to see what he thinks of these pits. And yeah, then I'll weld it. We'll do a little analysis after that, just like last time, and then I might machine it again in this same video. I will see what I want to do for this video. This is awful. What that is. This isn't welding at a certain point. Oh, I've been off center the whole time? Shit. I'm just kind of screwing around. I mean, this is not even, I don't even know what that is. It's not even a weld. It's just like a bunch of metal I blocked onto the head. It's terrible. Now for realsies. Alright guys, so after that welding, well, I did this yesterday. This is 2 days of welding. I did that yesterday as well. I did this today. This one looks okay, but when you look at it from the side, you can see that it's really humped up actually compared to what it's supposed to be. And I bet when we machine all of these, there's gonna be a lot of pits. I couldn't seem to, I don't know, I just couldn't seem to get a good enough position for just for myself. I was so uncomfortable doing both of these, and I finally, the ending of this looked good until I went back over with the torch and kind of screwed everything up. Made it look really blobby, but I think it's okay. I'll probably machine it later today once it cools off, and then we can see what kind of pits are in there. I think this was a really good idea, this lens, because I think it really shows off the welding a lot better, because before it was blinding and now it's, you know, not quite as blinding. This also, I used it on the MIG video, and this one's pretty screwed up. There's a lot of pits in that. You can see all the little things that hit it from that video. I got a little too close on that one, but that's okay. So I think this is okay. We'll see how the milling turns out. So I'm setting this head up on the mill right now. It's already cooled off. This is always the most fun thing, is trying to find the right length standoffs for this. That's pretty awesome. The Noga is the best, I gotta say. Look at that. You're not imagining things. I am moving the head of this mill. Okay. The connection between the quench area that I welded and that is not very good. So I need to figure out how to really get a nice bead on the inside there first. Of course, both this one and the one down on the screen right now, they're both done when I was trying to reach around a camera and do a bunch of weird maneuvers. Not a great representation of actual welding. This is definitely gonna hit a thing. Let's not let that happen. I mean, I'm gonna be honest though, there's not very many pits in these. I'm thinking about it now more. There's a pit there, there's a couple pits there, and there's a little line right there of a pit. But really, it's not too bad. I'm very surprised. This edge here, not great. Lots of pits there, but actually this is a better edge than this other one. I'm very surprised. This is terrible, for obvious reasons. It's a big hole. Pretty good. It's a little bit down there. Let's see. Yeah, cool. There's still a little bit there I would need to fill in. There's still, maybe a little bit there, but that actually looks not half bad for you know, not very good welds. It does eat right into that head gasket surface, but the fly cutter would technically cut the head gasket surface and this down and actually make it all nice and smooth. So, you know, it's not bad. It's really not bad. I like it. Yeah, so I guess that's it, guys. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna continue to make these welding videos. I just thought this was interesting. You know, show kind of the first time welding it, machining it back, welding it again, machining it back again, and see what kind of progress I can make. I think this is much better than the first time. The first one had a lot of pits. Show a picture now of it. Bunch of little pits in there. Yeah, okay. Yes, that had a lot of pits. Yeah, this is not bad actually. For how much I struggled with doing this one and with actually doing all of these, they all look pretty good. I think I just need to work on my consistency, not touching the tungsten with the filler rod, not just the filler rod with the tungsten. I gotta be more comfortable. I gotta figure out what way I can be more comfortable doing the welding. Otherwise, I'm just kind of screwing myself over, not getting really good practice in. I gotta probably just figure some stuff out. I guess I'll post probably some photos of some other ones I do later, whenever I feel comfortable enough to do one of these heads. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'll talk to you guys in another video. I guess I'll show another thing later.